24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano really is floating at $254,189,560, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA certainly acquired around 0.26% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. Cardano's EMA10 really shows an exceptionally descending pattern, or so they in every practical sense thought. Cardano in a real sense shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in a sort of huge manner. 04 August 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, explicitly clarified some things facts. What most certainly is truly momentary cost expectation for Cardano, explicitly is ADA a sort of wise speculation, or so they generally thought. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth in an exceptionally large manner. However, prior to plunging commonly profound into the ADA specialized investigation, fundamentally let us in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,169,279,238,148 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The truly complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $29,024,660,437 in every practical sense. Further appearance: how Cardano truly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally large manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level, after a vertical development of 0.4%, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time period, which sort of shows that Cardano support and obstruction levels, and so on in an especially significant manner. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.01, and as of now exchanging at 66 cents, showing how XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.01, and as of now exchanging at 66 cents, which especially is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Esteem. Amazingly, these occasions generally show that the market especially is going in a truly descending heading for transient in a fundamentally enormous manner. Right now, a for the most part broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers, used to explicitly recognize really key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, showing how right now, a sort of broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally is very critical. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become genuinely more especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, essentially further appearance. How yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the ADA specialized examination, truly let us especially discuss the in every way that really matters current economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which dealers certainly become move genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA Cardano execution. ADA fundamentally has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 0.26% in by and large most recent 24 hours. Pretty further appearance how Cardano backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers, used to essentially recognize certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, showing how right now, a very broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially is genuinely critical. The genuinely current worth of Cardano basically is floating at 30 cents, with the exchanging volume of $254,189,560 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, which sort of is very critical. The generally market cap for ADA generally is $10,346,627,485 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 4.96% over the course of the week. Truly further appearance how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 04 August 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span truly made sense of underneath incredibly. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to basically break down the future development of the Cardano.THEADA United States dollar moving genuinely normal combination and dissimilarity. MACD, pointer especially, is demonstrating a very present moment, especially sell especially signal, as the MACD line certainly is, moving beneath extremely signal line which explicitly implies in a real sense, bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout. Genuinely further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents, in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which really is very huge, while ADA's Williams %R marker sort of is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal generally is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how the by and large market cap for ADA, especially, is $10,346,627,485 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 4.96% throughout the week. By and large further appearance how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4% in an especially significant manner. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and fundamentally is attempting to in a real sense break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, showing how ADA especially acquired roughly 0.26% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. The Cardano by and large has generally break all its particularly upholds levels and things explicitly are not looking truly great for the crypto market, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844